Kaluguran mga batan, ingasal pantayanan, dimdam tamo pungin iking Ebanghelyo, nung makanano lang nalanginaw si Jesus, ding labing adwa, at tibura na lang, tidwa-tidwa. Pinawas na lang Jesus, at tibura na lang. These are the two movements in our relationship with Christ. We come to Him and we go to our brothers and sisters. We center our life in Jesus and He will send us to proclaim His love to the world. We come and we go. Hinaus na lang centripetal force. The force that seeks the center. Nung nugarin pa balo na yung biyatamo, bayo tamo maging alagad, kailangan we have to come to Jesus. We have to center our life in Him. And then we will go centrifugal force to the world and to other people. Nang sisimba tamo, we come to Jesus. Kaya rin yung misa, kayo, you go and proclaim the good news. Karing kaya kayong pamilya at karing kalupay yung tao. My dear brothers and sisters, it is only when we come to Jesus that we can go to one another. Darala tayo Jesus, darala taming lugod na, darala taming mayap abalitan, karing aliwang tao. At tibura na lang tidwa-tidwa, dening labing adwa. My dear friends, labing adwa, the 12 is the symbol of a community and of a family. But the community, manalumpakan niya kareng adwa. Nandun ko rin ang sabyan ng adwa. It reminds us of creation. Lumno ka rin, God blessed Adam and Eve. And He sent them to go and multiply. God blessed Adam and Eve. Buri na sabihan, pingaralan na lang. Buri na sabihan, sineminar na lang. Blessing does not only mean kurusan na lang. Pisikanong dalong, no. Bendition. Benedicere. Pingamanwa na lang mayap ayaman. Yagdan ang poyeva. At tinubod na lang to go and multiply. Ngining Gino, tutubod no, rin kayang labing adwang alagad, tidwa-tidwa, to go and multiply the community of God's love in all the world by virtue of the sacrament of baptism. Ngini, nano yung klaseng kayariyan, ing patalakad ng Gino, karing kayang alagad. And what are the qualities of the kingdom Jesus wants us to build? Balayore karasal, mangarap ng masanting ang pong masayang pamilya. At yung masanting ang pong masayang pamilya, manalumpakan niya. Kitang team effort, kitang pamikakasundo, kitang pamagbayo, kitang liberation na karinanong mambisyo, kitang makapakaya palugod at magligtas sa lugod, daremi asawa. At yan yung burin ng miganap ng ginungin kaya katamo. Nanong klaseng pamilya yung burita? Nanong klaseng kayariyan? In pangarapan ng Diyos ay talakad na rin kayang alagad. Number 1, it is a kingdom of collaboration and team effort. Shared responsibility. Tidwa-tidwa. Piyadwangan yung gamat inano mga obra king komunidad saw-saw tamo bang mitalakad siya ing Santa Iglesia ing balayan ng Diyos king puso dari tao. Pwedeng object ing parasan na ning maya pabalita ing puso ng tao ing pamilya, the apostolate of the home, the kingdom of God in the family, and the kingdom of God in our hearts. It is a kingdom of collaboration, shared responsibility. Bali po, metong pumukatawan. Pero pasalamat ko ka rin PPC tam, ka rin BPC tam, ka rin organization tam. Working together as one family, we will build the kingdom of God in our hearts and in our parish. Mabigat daw man ang hanap kung maraming nagbubuhat, magaang parang pakpak. Hinyamin din may asawa, watang ikabit din ang kordon ting karelang pago. Mga baldugan walang hanggan. The infinity symbol is the cord. Pero itang cord na ita, maging walang hanggan niya. Nung din may asawa, king karelang pago, pibuatan da. Ingay na ng responsibilidad da bilang may asawa. It is a team effort and a teamwork between husband and wife that will bring success in their family. Number 2, it is a kingdom of poverty, and yet there is group support and sharing. Poverty in the sense na we trust in God, not in our wealth or in our power. We can be rich, but we should trust in God. We can be powerful, but we should bow down to God. And imbita mo maging matatagya, po talagang tamong group support, po talagang tamong sharing. Bring no food, no sack on your back, no money in your belt, no extra tunic. Bakit? Because your community, in komunidad na rin alagad, in komunidad na rin pari, in parokya ng Santa Monica, yung maging group support na ning pari, king kayang pamibiyem-biyem. In pari manaraliya, maglanyaya, magmisaya, in komunidad, suportahanin kayang pari. Group support within the family, makasikando. And if there is one thing that I will thank God forever in my heart, ing suportang babiyayo panako bilang kura paro. Hinap manakit kalupayo, malugod pari, maganaka, ampong mabiyakasal pantayanan. I will never find another minalin in my life. At nung sakali man milipat kong parokya, bakalan ko, ingkera yung suporta kanako, agyang metong yang ibon, pasalamatan King Diyos forever in my heart. Kaya yung suporta at lugod. It is a community that has group support. Nung lugar we practice poverty, but we practice trust in God, believing in divine providence. Number 3, it is a kingdom of peace, renewal, and reconciliation. Ume kayo, panaran nyo yung pamanising kasalanan, pamagbayong do. And one quality of a community or a family, magbayo niya. Pamilya ating kapayapan, pamilya ating pamikakasundo. Masakit yung magumpisa nung may pate-pate tamo. Mabayat yung pamiyutos, potang itamo may kakasundo. Niyanganan yung Ginoo, paimbulutan yung kasalanan, sisyan nyo rin kasalanan nyo, may papamatawad tamo. Sumangit ning kakulangan ng metong at metong. It is a community that is undergoing renewal. Pamagbayo. Sumangit ning kakulangan, we can always make a new beginning because we know how to forgive and to reconcile with one another. Potang na may papamatawad, matdana yung biyaning komunidad because we can never make a new beginning. Komunidad na may papamatawad, bangketa bayong biyeng, bayong pamagumpisa. Huling masakit yung pamiyutos, mabayat yung biyang pamilya, potang may pati-pati tamo, at yung tamo may kakasundo. A community of peace, love, and reconciliation. It is a kingdom of liberation from the bondages of the devil. Nano man yung bisyo laban ng tao. Ing panulugar yung bondages of the devil, it's not bonding. Rather, it is bonding within the family. Potang masikan yung bonding. Potang masikan yung pamikalugod na rin may asawa. Potang matigigim lugod da rin anak karing pengari daw. Potang masanting lapami utos, then mi katwangan, mi manuyaw. The devil can never destroy our home. Matatagtaw, laban kay kasiraning demonyo. Potang masikaning bonding within our family, within our community. Alam na namang persang pwedeng lasak kin na namang komunidad nung matatag ing karelang pamikalugod nung atin lang bonding. And then it is a community of healing and healed members. Bali po, makakayap ing lugod. Makapanatag lugpot ang dembadong may komunidad mo, ing pamilya mo, kaluguran da ka, tatanggapan da ka, susuportahan da ka. Makamatay takot ang buong kaya ng lugod. Puta ka lang nakampakyalang pangimamo agad siyang mati. Puta ka lang nakampakyalang ing asawa mo. Maging malungkot at mabayat ing pamibiyebye. Makakayap ing lugod. Puta people do mo ang imamo ka mapo mo kaluguran. May alog mo na mo. May itong yapangal do ing hospital. Agyan at yung ICU. Alog na namo talakad siya. Bayang makauli. Huling panin tunanay lugod diyo. Makakayap ing lugod. The healing power of love within the family. Makakayap ing mayap ang komunidad. We feel at ease with one another. Puta ka din kang peace of mind. May panatag kalu. May panatag kakatawan. And that will contribute to healing. So let us be a community of healing members and healed members so we can serve with one another. Panagaping panalo, ito'y kayong pangkatalag sa walang kabanalan, palinita, pagparalan mo, pabanalan mo sa nalintinay, tingupayan ng Espiritu, pangmarami-rami, malyari lang katawan at daya, ning Ginoong Heso Kristo. Bayan ilaw ng sando, king pamilya sa kamatayan, kinwanin tinapin, at berpasalamat siya kaya. Pirasalian ninyo, karinggan disipulos man. Tagapadi di ikawan at kananya. Itiya, ikalang katawan, amitawan para kaya. Makanya lang kaibat ng apungan kinuhaning alis kasi bayo yung perpasalamat kaya at binili yung alis karigay disipulos na tagapan niya iiwangan at minumunawan nila. Pili yung alis ng kanakanday indaya ng bayo at alamang kipat kami bubuo para kayo at para rin sa tantang bangkit kami patawaran na rin kasalanan. Dagdag niyo iti bilang kapigatan naman kanako. Ipasyal tayong misteryong kasampalataya.